Alright everyone, so in this video we are going to see what is a service account, how to create the service account directly from the Google Cloud Console, and how to assign some roles or certain roles to the same service account, right? So these are the three things we are going to cover as a part of this video, right? So before jumping into the video, let me give you a quick glance on what exactly the service account is. Right, so we know in Google Cloud we have so many services, right? Like, so we have BigQuery, storage service, data flow, we have Dataproc, we have PubSub, and so on, right? So basically these are the services, right? And when we create a pipeline, so we utilize these services for sure, right? So while creating the pipeline, there should be a communication between these services of the Google Cloud. It means that these particular services has to interact with each other, and the service account is one of the means through which these services are going to interact to form a complete pipeline, because most of the pipelines are automated, and to automate this stuff we need the service account. So basically, in a nutshell, service account is a special kind of account which is used to establish a connection between the services of the Google Cloud. And beside that, one interesting factor about the service account is that we can able to establish the connection from our local computer or local laptop where you are going to write the code and with the Google Cloud. It means this connection from your laptop to the Google Cloud, that also we can able to achieve by using the service account, because in real time we will write all the code or all the commands in our local computer only, and through our local computer we will be deploying the same services to Google Cloud, and this connection is established via service account. So this is what we are going to see in this video, right? Let's start the video, and I'm 100% sure that at the end of this video you will get 100% idea of what service account is all about, right? So let's start this video. See you in the video. Hey guys, welcome back again to this session on creating the service account and assigning some roles to the service account, right? So before we have created some user account or individual user account. We have seen the roles, we have added the permissions, we have created the custom roles, and I have added that custom roles to this user. But now let's time to create what I mean now it's time to create a new service account, and we will add some roles to that service account and quickly see how service account how we are going to create the service account. All right, so as we know that service account is just a kind of robot, like we have discussed this into our previous session. Okay, so this guy, through this guy we can able to communicate with the services which are present inside the Google Cloud, and also we can able to interact with Google Cloud from your local computer, that is on premise, right? See, if I want to use cloud storage service, okay, this is BigQuery service. Just for example, I must use service account, then only this code, whatever I write here, through this code, if I want to interact with cloud storage, we need this guy, service account. Okay, perfect. Now let's see how we are going to create it. Let's go to the Google Cloud and let's proceed there. Right, so now I am on to IAM overview page or landing page, however you call. Here I have the service account. See, in the left navigation pane, if you scroll a bit down, here is the service account. Right click, open in a new tab. You can open in the same tab, that's fine, but let's keep everything handy so that we can easily navigate like back, like from where we came, right? So right now I don't have any service account created. I have to click on create service account here. So I can get an option to see create service account. I say some my service account 1. You can give anything. Perfect. Let's click on create and continue. Permissions, just skip as for now. Click on done. Yep. So this is the service account created. Through this account only we can be able to interact within the service, within the cloud, or from my local to the cloud. So when we go to discuss the cloud storage GCP service, there I have demonstrated in detail like how do we, starting from creating the service account from the scratch, creating the keys and how to pass those keys from Python code from local and so on. But this demonstration is just to make sure that, to give a very overview idea that how we are going to create the service account. And then for this account I am going to assign the roles. We need to click on manage permission, and assigning the roles is same for user account or else for the service account, guys. Manage access, click on add role. You can add any role, so I will just say that cloud, say okay, cloud SQL Weaver. Okay, I will assign this role as cloud SQL Weaver. They have mentioned this user can read only access to cloud SQL resources. I mean read only access, right? I will click on save. Simple. For this service account, through this service account you can only view the cloud SQL tables or the resources. You cannot update, delete, write anything. Sorry, you cannot write anything, right? So now the question comes here is, I have created a service account and this service account, role of this service account is cloud Weaver, right? Now just erase this part. This is the Google Cloud and here is cloud storage service, and one more service is cloud SQL, and there is a service account I have created. Okay, and now what I will do, I am a user here sitting on my laptop from my on-premise or from my home, and I have written some code, and through this code, some Python code, and through this service account I want to interact with this guy. So now you tell me, shall we do that? Does Google Cloud allow us to do this? If yes or no, then absolutely this will not allow, because for this service account the role is just to do SQL Weaver. Okay, he will just view the SQL tables, but through this role he cannot do anything with GCS. Through he will see the error in the program saying that inadequate or insufficient permissions or 403 or 403 series, something like this, right? So anyhow, we have covered this in detail when we are dealing with cloud storage, right? So that's it. I think we are done here. So yeah, so that's it from this session, guys. In the next session we'll come up with some other stuff. So almost we have covered quite everything as a part of this journey. Means IAM related thing like user, IAM related thing. So in the next session we'll be taking up a new service most probably. Yep, that's all in this video, and see you soon in the next session. Have a good day.